Hello students, today we are going to learn double circulation in humans. As we know that double circulation is a type of blood circulation in which blood passes through the heart twice in one complete cycle of the body. But the most important as well as the tricky part of this topic is you need to remember the pathway of the circulation as well as the terms or the terminology of the different parts of the heart, including blood vessels like arteries and veins, etc. So I have mentioned everything over here in this simplified diagram. You can see it's like a box structure which is representing a heart. So let's start with the right side of the heart, which is deoxygenated blood. Say for an example, all the oxygen has been used up over here in the different organ systems, digestive, reproductive or nervous system. Let's start with this side. So this deoxygenated blood enters the heart through a vein called vena cava, directly goes to the right atrium first. From right atrium, it goes down to right ventricle through tricuspid valve. From right ventricle, when the muscles of right ventricle pumps it, blood passes through semilunar valve and also the pulmonary artery reaches the lungs. So you can see from organ system, vena cava, right atrium, right ventricle, then directly it goes to the lungs. I will mark the arrows so that you can understand the motion clearly. How does it go? And then it reaches over here in the lungs. In the lungs, deoxygenated blood, which is deficient of oxygen, will get oxygen. Oxygen is being diffused. Oxygen diffuses into the red blood cells, and now this blood is known to be the oxygenated blood. The left side of the heart receives oxygenated blood. Now the oxygenated blood enters the heart in the left atrium through a vein called pulmonary vein. From pulmonary vein, it enters the left atrium and goes down to left ventricle through bicuspid valve. When the left ventricle valves, which are very thick, pumps the blood, it goes all the way from left ventricle, passing through semilunar valve, aorta, it goes to the body parts or different organ systems in the body. Now I will show you the arrow. So it leaves lungs, then goes directly left atrium, then from left atrium through aorta, it goes to the body parts. So the right side one is deoxygenated. This side the blood is deoxygenated, and on the left side of the heart this is oxygenated, and this cycle keeps going on. This is a simplified version. Using all the terminologies you can understand it much better. And the last part, have a look at the flow chart. Flow chart shows how it starts from organ system, goes to heart, goes to lungs, and then back to heart and ultimately organ system, and that cycle goes on until a human or any animal is alive. So I hope it's clear. Remember all the terms, remember the flow chart of pathway of blood circulation, and it would be much easier for you in the exam. Thank you.